Hello. So today we have the problem solve for x given the function x squared minus 4x minus 45 is equal to 0. And how we're going to solve this is we're going to factor by grouping. So first thing we're going to do when we're factoring by grouping is we're going to look at this negative 4x and this negative 45. And what we want is we're going to find two numbers a and b where a plus b is equal to negative 4 and a times b is equal to negative 45. And doing some arithmetic, we can find that a and b will equal to negative 9 and 5. So we're going to end up splitting this negative 4 here into negative 9 and positive 5. And how we're going to do that is we're going to take this x squared, going to leave this x squared, and we're going to go minus 9x plus 5x. So the minus 9x plus 5x will equal negative 4x minus 45 is equal to 0. And we're going to treat this function as two separate groups, this 5x minus 45 and this x squared minus 9x. And we're going to factor common factors out of each group. So for this x squared minus 9x, we'll see that there's an x in each part. So we're going to have x times x minus 9 plus this group. Now in this group what we see is that there's a factor of 5 that we can factor out here. So it's going to be plus 5 times x minus 9. And all this is equal to 0 still. Now what we end up seeing after doing this is that there's an x minus 9 in each group. So we can factor out from each group an x minus 9. And what we're left with is this is multiplied by x plus 5. And all of this is still equal to 0. Now, using this, we see that x minus 9 times x plus 5 is equal to 0. And when we want it to be equal to 0, and we have two numbers, a and b, multiplying them to equal 0, we know that at least one, if not both of these numbers, has to be equal to 0 if you're multiplying them together and you get 0. Which means either x minus 9 or x plus 5 or both are equal to 0 in order to multiply them together to equal to 0. Which means that x is either going to be positive 9 or negative 5. Since it's, for this one, if it's positive 9, 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Or for this one, negative 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. And that's how you find your two answers for x, and x squared minus 4x minus 45 is equal to 0.